This is just a quick channel update. I'm going to try to start doing 2 videos a week. This is due to a lot of new ideas that have been coming into my head on things to try, new experiments, new variations, alternative methods for doing tie-dye, odd things. Some may work, some might fail. I don't know, I haven't tried everything on the list, and a lot of the videos will be my first attempt at trying something just to see how it works out. Some of these ideas I went down a rabbit hole, and I have a series of videos that are going to be coming out for each of those. I would appreciate some help on some of these ideas. Hopefully at least some of these new ideas or methods work. I'm sure some of them won't, but that's part of the fun in the process, right? And I'd like your feedback on everything to see if you have ideas or suggestions if something isn't working right with a new idea, and we'll see where to go from there. The video schedule will be Saturdays around 8 a.m. Central Time, and sometime during the day on Tuesday. Haven't finalized a time. I'll probably play with that a little to see where the most viewership is. I also may be adding leather. Now, I won't be doing the leather work. That's my son's thing. He's 15. He's been working on it for about a year or so. I think he's really good. I'll throw some pictures of what he's been doing out here real quick. But hopefully he'll start doing some videos. He has started a TikTok channel, as have I. So Casual Collisions is on TikTok. Now these are shorts, there is no detail, but I was thinking that with that I would be able to do short Q&As or short answers to questions. So if you have questions that could be answered in a short little segment, check out my TikTok and I will try to answer the questions that show up there. Now my son has said he's going to start with TikTok since it's easier to do those short little segments, and if it works out, he's considering doing the YouTube videos. So give him some support too. My TikTok is on the screen, or was earlier, and his is on here now. We both appreciate your follows on TikTok. I'm shooting for 1 video a week there, along with answering any questions that people might have. I'm not sure if he's shooting for 1 a week, we'll see, but I'm sure the more followers he has, the more interested he would be in producing some videos. I did change the channel logo. It's much brighter than it was. I'm not sure if it's going to stay. I'd appreciate your opinions. I'd also like to drop out a channel that's a friend of my son's, Tallest World. He's been doing it for a few years. It has gaming, Minecraft, skits, his Rubik's Cube challenges, a bit of his piano, and even videos of his cat. You can get to his channel through this link up here. Go ahead and check him out. I'm sure the more subscriptions he gets, the more interested he'll be in producing content. And he is really good at the piano, and the Rubik's Cube is shocking to me that somebody can solve a Rubik's Cube in seconds. The next video will come out on Tuesday, and as always, thanks for watching.